As cleanup continues here in Connellsville, we're learning about more and more stories of damage, including the Connellsville Church of God wasn't even spared. You can see all of these cinder blocks, just muddied items that were in the church destroyed. And according to the pastor, insurance isn't covering any of this. And the reason? Because this was an act of God.
I should have brought boots.
Not even a house of God was spared.
The rain came from this way and pushed our outside wall down.
We got the one section of pipe out, a broken pipe, and the rest of it's plugged up.
And this place had about 4 feet of water in Sunday night.
Connellsville Church of God is situated on a hill, but heavy rains washed downward, backed up the drains, and collapsed the wall.
It's been devastated on our whole church. It's just been unreal. But we serve a good God.
But Church Mutual Insurance, who insures the church, blames, well, God.
They're telling us that because of act of God, they're not covering. God caused it, so they don't cover any of this.
A representative at the insurance company said no comment, but the actions of the people of Connellsville said a lot more. Despite the cleanup and the inconvenience, church services will continue as usual here at the Connellsville Church of God this Sunday. They will just hold the service in the gymnasium because they can't put any weight in the sanctuary. In Connellsville, Fayette County, Ashley Hardway, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.